like Lewis, Lewis. Can you hear the sounds? Moo moo, the cow goes low, chewing on grass real nice and slow. Cluck cluck, says the chicken hen, pecking the ground again and again. Bop bop, hear that sheep, jumping the fence with a little leap. Oink oink, the pig rolls round, snorting and snuffing in the muddy ground. Neigh, quack, cluck and moo, sing those sounds, you can do it too. Beep, chug, bang and bah, life on the farm is a loud hurrah. Vroom vroom, the tractor rides, plowing those rows so straight and wide. Beep beep, it's back and slow, look out y'all, here we go. Chug a chug, that silo hums, pumping out grain in giant drums. Bang bang, the hammer rings, fixing up fences and chicken wings. What says moo, the cow in the stall? What says cluck, the hen down the hall? What goes chug, the silo pipe? What goes beep, the tractor's just right. Neigh, quack, cluck and moo, sing along, me and you. Oink, vroom, bang and bah, we love the sounds of the farm. Yeehaw! Neigh, quack, cluck and moo, sing along, me and you.